Unlock the power of Walmart Marketplace and turn your products into bestsellers with this comprehensive guide to creating winning listings that customers can't resist. First, log into your Walmart Seller Center. Navigate to the Items section, which is your gateway to creating a new product listing. The foundation of a great listing starts with selecting the most accurate product category. This ensures your item is discoverable by the right shoppers. Be specific. The more precise you are, the better. Now, let's craft your product title. Think keywords. Include your brand name, product type, key features, and any relevant attributes. Aim for clarity and searchability, making it easy for customers to find exactly what they need. This is crucial. Product images. Use multiple, high-resolution images that clearly display your item from every angle. Ensure they are well lit and showcase the product's benefits and features. Avoid clutter and lifestyle shots that distract from the item itself. Next, the product description. This is your opportunity to shine. Use short, punchy sentences and bullet points to highlight key features and benefits. Emphasize what makes your product unique and solve customer pain points. Think about what a buyer would want to know. Pricing is paramount. Research your competitors and set a competitive price that reflects your product's value. Don't forget to factor in all costs, including Walmart's fees. Review all the information carefully before hitting submit. A well-optimized listing on Walmart is your direct line to more customers and greater sales success. Happy selling!